up, y'all? It's your girl Deja Janae EXO, and I'm back with another video. So as you can tell by the title, today I will be trying on all of my wigs for y'all. I just washed them all and like flat ironed them and styled them again, so they'll be ready for when I need to wear them. And so I just decided, why not put on a video? Well, why not make a video and try them all on for my subscribers, so y'all can just see like my different looks and things like that. I know like dark skinned girls be looking for like inspiration on hair ideas and things like that, because I know I'd be looking for inspiration all the time, like on Instagram. If you go to like my saves, all you see is like hair colors, dark skin girls with hair colors, like hairstyles, all types of stuff. So I just decided that I would just go ahead and make this video today for anybody that's, you know, maybe thinking about dyeing their hair but don't know what color. I thought this would be a great video for that. So I'm going to try on each wig and then I'll tell y'all where I got the hair from if you're interested in getting the hair from the video. So I hope that makes sense. Let me just stop all this talking. We're just gonna get straight into the video. So I guess I'll just start with the wig that I have on.
Quick disclaimer, all of my wigs aren't laid to their fullest potential because, you know, this is a lot of wigs to try on in a little amount of time. So just be aware of that. This is from Nadula Hair. This is their frontal wig in the 16 inches. What am I call her? Her name is Amber. I like that. So this is Amber. When I have this wig on, my name is Amber for the night. Okay, honey, like serving looks. And now I'm just gonna show y'all a quick little montage starting now. All right, so now we're here with, I feel like she's a Layla. And this hair I got from Ali Grace. I had 3 bundles in a closure and I just made this into a wig. I think I had like 18, 20, 22 and then a 16-inch closure maybe. I cut it anyway, so I mean it really doesn't matter. But this is her live and in action, and so here goes my montage. Alright y'all, so that is Layla all montaged out. I did a review on this hair on my channel, so go check it out. And let's go try on the next one. Alright, so this is the next wig, and this is more of a jasmine. So now it's time for the montage. So yeah, that's that. So now it's time to go try on the next wig. All right, so here is the next one. And of course, you already know the name is Aqua. And I got this hair from Yolista. But here we go with the montage. Go real, I ride in it's a big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills, run out flip like 10 car wheels, pull that, give raw chills, 10 different looks, and my looks so kill, I get some in the mouth, I feel all grills, eat in the car, that's alright, so that's that. So now on to the next one. Alright, so this next wig, her name is, I'm gonna say Roxanne Beauty Forever Hair. So this is a Beauty Forever wig. There is a video on my channel with this hair, so check that out as well. But let's go ahead and get on with the montage. Empire, 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 empire. Work, see me happy, work. You see me do me da. So me better work. When you walk let's go on to the next wig. I think I got like 4 more to try on and I'm already tired. Okay, so this is my next wig. I'm gonna call her Kiki. She gonna be Kiki today. Ali Grace, I wanna say, I think it was Ali Grace. Let's get on with the montage.
Hey, yo, Smalls, turn up on them, bruh.
Todd, can you play that again?
Alright, so that's that wig. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, so here is the next one, and I'm going to name her Cynthia for the synthetic wig. So yes, this is a synthetic wig that was sent to me a while back, and I did do like a little mini review on it on my channel, so check that out. Hair is really red, but on my camera right here it's looking pink, but just know it's cherry red. But anyway, let's get into the montage. Alright, so let's go into the next one. Okay, so this is the next wig. I think I like the name Veronica. I got this hair from Allie Grace. Once again, I like all these wigs basically are Allie Grace just because like I was the road dog for them for the longest until they fucked me over. This hair is the very first hair review that I did on my channel, so y'all go check that out. But now onto the montage. That's that on that, and I'm about to go try on the next one. Okay, so you know you can't have a wig try on video without the Etna. You cannot have a wig try on without the Etna. Like, every girl has to have an Etna in her wig collection. Like, this is Dawn Lee hair. Yeah, no, this is the Dawn Lee hair I did a review on like a year ago. So let's get on with the montage. Okay, finally, last but not least, I have this orange hair, and like I said, I barely put it on. Like I said, I barely put it on because I'm tired, y'all. Like, I need to clean this room, get in bed, and go to sleep. But this is the last wig. I got this hair from LaModa Hair. Let's get into the montage.
Go real, I ride in some big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills, burn out flip like 10 car wheels, pull that, give Ross chills, 10 different looks and my looks so kill, like some in the mouth, I feel all grills, lead in the car, that's wheels on wheels.
I think I'm done. That about wraps this video up, y'all. I done tried on like 10, I don't know. So I'm gonna say like 10 wigs. And it took like 3 hours to film. So I will never ever do this again. Unless y'all really want to see it. Then I guess I might. But I'm tired of doing this already. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like all the different wigs that I have. Y'all comment down below what's your favorite wig. And comment down below what's your least favorite wig. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Follow me on my social medias at DejaJanaeXO. And I think that's it. So I will see you guys in my next video. So until next time, peace.